Today we have a very fun, creative way of practicing our sight words where we are going to make sight word ornaments. So I'm going to demonstrate a little bit and then you guys will get to do this too. So we are going to start by using a white crayon and I'm going to write my name here. I bet that you aren't really seeing anything. It kind of seems like I'm using invisible ink, doesn't it? But let me demonstrate just on my name what's gonna happen when you write your name with a white crayon and then paint over it. Can you see what's happening? You can see it now, can't you? Isn't that cool? It's a little magic trick. So what we're gonna do is I'm going to tell you different words to write on your ornaments with your white crayon. After we fill our ornaments with white crayon writing, then you will get a chance to use markers or watercolors to color your ornaments and the words will appear. Are you ready? Here we go. Let's start by writing the word with. If. Find it on the word wall if you aren't sure. W-I-T-H, with. Next, we're gonna write my, M-Y, my. The next word we're gonna write is has. Has starts with H, so look under H on your word wall and write has. H-A-S. The next word we're gonna write is look. Look. L-O-O-K, look. If you are at home and not at school, you are welcome to use the page that should be in your black first grade binder, or maybe it's not, but your teacher sent it home with words to practice and it has the word wall words and the spelling patterns that we're doing, so you can look at that paper too to find the words and copy them. Okay, so we wrote with, my, has, look. And I'm gonna go ahead and paint mine so that you can see in case you missed any of those. So there's with, different color, my, oh, my purple's not showing up too well. There's has, and look. Okay. We're gonna keep going. The next word we're gonna write is this. It has that hunk and chunk T-H at the beginning. T-H-I-S, this. Next we're gonna write do. Do is under D, D-O, do. Next we're gonna write R. R has the hunk and chunk A-R. So if you look under A, you will find the word R. A-R-E. And then we're gonna write she. She has the hunk and chunk S-H. So if you look under the S, you should find the word she. Oops. Now I'm gonna get some paint ready and go ahead and color these. Ooh, there we have this. I'm gonna do a couple green or red ones here. My green is not in the best shape. I'm gonna see how I can, ooh, that's pretty dark. And I used a lot of water. Let's see if I can spread that out. That's supposed to be dew, but hopefully it will clear off a little bit as it dries. All right, next we need to write he. E starts with H. H-E, he. And then another H word, have. H-A-V-E. have. Okay, now you will notice that we still have 6 ornaments left. So I'm going to use some of our review spelling patterns that we've been working on this week. So let's go ahead and write an app word. Let's write map. Map. App. So you should have M-A-P. Next, we're going to write an ick word. Ick. So let's write sick. I hope no one gets sick for Christmas. Ick has a hunk and chunk at the end. C-K. S-I-C-K. Okay, now I'm gonna do another reveal. Make sure everybody's getting their words correct. And you guys will get to paint yours really soon. I'm gonna just go ahead and do a row of what's supposed to be purple. It looks kind of gray to me. Looks like Mrs. Steinmetz needs some new watercolors. Okay, next we are gonna write an ot word, ot. So let's write pot. Can you please get out a pot to make macaroni and cheese? Pot, P-O-T. Next, we're gonna do an ed word. Let's write bed, B-E-D. And next we're gonna write an ug word. That was our pattern last week. Let's do mug. Mug, M-U-G, mug. And then we have one more. Let's do an N word, like hen, little red hen. H-E-N. H-E-N. Okay, I hope you guys are getting excited to reveal your words. I'm gonna go ahead and do my last one so you guys can make sure that you got all of these. Here we have pot, bed, hen, and mug. All right, friends, have fun revealing your hidden words in your ornaments.